birds and we don't not gonna go like ooh and stuff like that, I can take it out.
Can we hold it?
Yes, I can hold it.
No, can I hold it?
No.
No.
Okay, yes.
Can we take pictures?
Just a moment. Yes.
Oh.
Oh.
Do you let it go back out into the wild after?
Am I gonna go into the wild?
No, are you gonna let it out?
Yes.
What kind of bird is it?
This is song thrush.
Song.
Okay.
He's so cute.
It's a cousin of the American robin.
Oh, wow.
Not as beautiful as the American robin, but hey, you do everything in America much bigger than.
Does he have a name?
Yes, song thrush.
No.
Oh, a person, like a first
Personal
name.
name,
Yeah.
Yes, but in Hebrew, so I cannot tell you.
Aw.
You're not gonna pronounce it right. No, it doesn't. Okay, song thrush comes from mainland Europe, mostly. Our song thrush is mostly from Eastern Europe, Hungary, Poland, the Ukraines, and they're usually found in kind of forested areas, not in the valley, but the reflooded area is so rich of food, especially now in the winter when the rest of the area here is not as green and lush as in the valley. And